Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log cells in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Excel and I have prepared my file. And for instance, I'm going to log the cell. Okay, if we want to log cell, we need to select the cell we want to log, and then we're going to go to the review and select the protect sheet. Okay, and here you can choose what you want to allow all users of this worksheet to. And I'm going to allow users to select locked cells and select unlocked cells. And after that, we're going to enter our password or input our password. I'm just going to add this password. Okay, once you're done, you can click on OK. Okay, and then re-enter password to proceed, just like so, and then click on OK. All right, and after that, the cell will be locked. All right, guys, and that's all the way to log cells in Microsoft Excel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.